Hey, welcome to the lab. Just a quick update of after getting it all set up and a lot of the problem solving and troubleshooting and wires and cords that we've gone through today, to give you some ideas of how, if you want to do this, how you might have to do it. Again, I'm totally learning and very novice at all this, so I'm just willing to at least try something new to help keep education going and flowing. So something that I did was I made sure that I have a nice ambiance going on and have some of the same materials as the lab. So we've got George here hanging out with us. It's a little creepy every once in a while when I come down here. I've got my computer set up with all the cords and cables that I have from work. And then I've got my supplies. So I filled a bucket full of IV supplies, trach supplies, vent supplies, whatever, just stuff that I might do for some case studies or some videos, just trying to think through what I could possibly need for the semester. Something that you might want to think about, a lot of us have the DSLR cameras. People recommend using these to help record a little bit better. I'm using my phone right now just because it's quick and easy for quick ones, but anything that's long, extensive, the DSLs have SLRs or whatever have a little bit better record and video. So just try and pick a wall, put some paper up, start drawing and start going to help your students learn better. But hopefully this gives you an idea if you're thinking of doing something like this on your own. Have a great time, stay safe, and happy learning.